Hello students of class 6 of RLPS. Your term test one chapter is complete, syllabus is completed. Syllabus term assessment 1 chapter 2, that is chapter 32, perimeter and area. This chapter 32, in this chapter we have to study only the perimeter and area. First of all, we will discuss about the concept of perimeter. Perimeter means boundary of the figure. So the definition of perimeter is the perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Suppose that this is a figure. If we have to find the perimeter of this figure, simply we will add this plus this plus this plus this. So this will be the perimeter of this figure. In any type of the figure, simply we have to add there its boundaries. That will be the perimeter. In other words, we can say sum of all the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. If we talk about the perimeter of the triangle ABC, that will be AB plus BC plus CA, this plus this plus this. Perimeter of the quadrilateral, quadrilateral means the closed figure bounded by 4 line segments. AB, this plus this plus this plus this means simply sum of all the sides is called the perimeter of all the figures. There are 3 types of the triangles based on sides. Equilateral triangle, in this all sides are equal. Isosceles triangles, 2 sides are equal. And scalene triangle, all sides are different. So 3 types of triangle. Simply we will use the concept side plus side plus side, means sum of all the side AB plus BC plus CD. In quadrilateral also there are many type of the quadrilaterals. We will discuss only square and rectangle. In the square all sides are equal. So A and simply we can say the perimeter of a square is 4 into side, because all the 4 sides are equal of this square. And if we talk the rectangle, this is the rectangle. In this and this, these opposite sides are equal, these opposite sides are equal. So the perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into L plus B. So this is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of square 4 into side, perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Now discuss the concept of area. What is the area? So area of any plane surface is the length of its boundary including interior. This is the interior and this is the boundary. So area of this figure, this boundary plus this interior. So area equal to boundary plus interior. Area of a square, side into side, because all the 4 sides are equal of this square. So side into side is the area of the square. Similarly, area of the rectangle. In the rectangle, these sides are equal, means pair of opposite sides are equal. Pair of opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. So we will multiply length to its breadth. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, L into B, and this will be 4 into side, means 4A. So this is the basic of perimeter and area. Now we will start the exercise of this chapter. Exercise 32A. Question 1. What do you understand by the plane closed figure? Simply plane closed figure. Figure should be plane and closed also. So the figure that lie in the plane bounded by the line segments or curve, that is called the plane closed figure. Simply write the definition on the text notebook. Question number 2. The interior of a figure is called region of the figure. Suppose that this is any figure, this is the interior and this is the exterior. Question is, interior of the figure is called region. So this interior is the region or not? This statement is true or not? So this statement is not true, means this is false, because the interior of a figure is called region, but it should be along with its boundary together. Means we can say the interior of the figure along with its boundary is called region, but in this statement boundary is not added there, so this statement is false. Question number 3, find the perimeter of each of the following closed figure. Simply we have to add these sides, this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Sum of all the sides will be the perimeter of this figure. Question number 4, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is this, breadth is this. This is the rectangle. You know the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, because rectangles pair of opposite sides are equal, so 2 into L plus B. Place here length and breadth, that is 40, 35, that will be 75 to 150. This will be the answer there. Part 3rd and 4th will be given to you, and the remaining parts you can solve. Question number 5, P denotes the perimeter of a rectangle, L denotes the length of the rectangle, B denotes the breadth of the rectangle. Then find out L if these values are given, B if these values are given, P if these values are given. Question number 4, part 3rd, length is 8 meter. 8 meter means 800 centimeter. We have to convert this unit because breadth is given in centimeter, this is in meter. So first of all we have to convert the unit. Unit must be same of both the values or all the values. Now perimeter 2 into L plus B, 2 800 plus 80, 880, simply multiply by 2, so 1760 centimeter. This is the answer, or also you can convert this answer into meter, so this will be 17.60 meter also. This is the answer. Question number 4, part 4, length is 3.6 meter, breadth is 2.4 meter. This is in meter also, this is in meter. No need to change the unit because both the units are same. Now the formula of perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into 3.6 plus 2.4, that will be this plus this, 6.0 means 6 and 6 to 12 meter. This is the perimeter of the given values. Question number 5, part 2, we have to find B when P is 3.2 meter and L is 100 centimeter. Now perimeter is in meter and length is in centimeter. First of all we have to convert the unit, so 100 meter will be written as 1 meter. 1 meter consists of 100 meter, or we can change this value also. Instead of this, this is 3.2 meter, multiply by 100, so this will be 320 centimeter. Then this will be 100 centimeter and this is 320 centimeter. So we can solve it using these values also. But in this 3.2 meter and we have converted 100 centimeter into meter. So now use the formula, that is P equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is given there 3.2 equal to 2. The value of L is 1 meter. Value of B is not there. We have to find. We have to find out the value of B. So B will be remain as it is. 3.2 equal to 2 multiplied, open this bracket. 2 will be multiplied with 1. 2 1 are 2 plus 2 into B means 2B. Now change the side of 2. Numerals will be one side and this will be one side, means constant and variable. 2B is the variable, these are constant. So change the side of 2. When we will change the side of 2, its symbol will be changed there. This is 3.2 minus 2 equal to 2B. Then this is 1.2 equal to 2B. Then B equal to 1.2 upon 2 means 0.6 meter. Or you can write a B equal to 60 centimeter. This is the question number 5th. Question number 7. Side of the square we have to find out. Perimeter is given 5 meter. 5 meter means 500 centimeter. You can use using perimeter 5 meter only. You can find out the value also using this. This is perimeter 5 meter. then P equal to 4 into side, P equal to 4 into side. So 500, place the value of P, 500 equal to 4 into side. You can write a 5 into 4 into side, that will be side equal to 5 upon 4 equal to 1.25 meter. You can also follow this process also. So 500 upon 4 equal to side, then side equal to 125. When we divide 500 by 4, we will get 125 centimeter. So side equal to 1.25 meter. In centimeter you can write, in meter you can write. Both the answers are correct there. Unit is changed only. Question number 8. Eighth question is, a square field has each side 70 meter, whereas rectangle field has length 50 meter and breadth 40 meter. Side of the square is given 70 meter and side of the perimeter is given 50 meter and 40 meter. So our question is, find out the perimeter of both the sides, both the figures, and which perimeter is greater. We have to find out, and by how much. First of all, we will find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter 4 into side, because the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of square. And perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth. These two formulas are used there. Question number 8. So perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into 70, then this is 7 to 4 28, 280 meter. This is the perimeter of square. Now for rectangle, length is 50, breadth is 40, so perimeter, this is P2 we consider, and this is of P2. This is P1 and this is P2. 2 into L plus B. So 2, length is 50, breadth is 40, 2 into 90, this is 180 meter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now if we compare 180 and 280, so 280 is greater than 180, means P1, value of P1 is greater than P2. So simply we will write P1 is greater than P2. 280 minus 180 equal to 100. It means square has a greater perimeter by rectangle by 100. Square has greater perimeter by 100 meter. This is the solution of question 8. Remaining questions you will be given in next video. Thank you students. If you have any type of doubt, write me on WhatsApp group, or you can watch this video 2-3 times. Doubt will be cleared. Complete your fair copy, neat and clean. Thank you students. Hello students of class 6 of RLPS, chapter 32, exercise 32A, question number 12. 12th question is, a school playground is rectangular in shape with length 120 meter and breadth 90 meter. Length is given 120 meter, breadth is 90 meter. Some school boys run along the boundary of the playground and make 15 complete rounds. Means if they complete one round from this is one complete round, means one perimeter. 2 complete round means 2 perimeter. So they completed 15 rounds. It means 15 times they complete the perimeter in 45 minutes. How much distance did they cover during this period? Question 14. The length of a rectangle is twice of its breadth. Whatever the breadth there, the length is just double of the breadth. Let breadth is 2, length will be 4. Breadth is 6, length will be 12. If its perimeter is 60 centimeter, find its length. Perimeter is given there 60 centimeter. We have to find out the length of this question. First of all, we will solve question number 12. That is length 120 meter, breadth 90 meter. So 1 round means 1 perimeter. 15 round means 15 perimeter. It means distance traveled 15 into the perimeter, then 15 into the rectangular shape. This is the rectangle. The playground shape is rectangular. The perimeter of rectangular is this plus this plus this plus this. In rectangular, these two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. So 2 into length plus breadth is the formula of perimeter of the rectangle. So this is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 120 plus 90 210 into 2 420 multiply by 15. 15 into 420 6300 meter. Or if you want to convert this value in kilometer, then you can write 6.300 kilometer, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This is the answer of this question. Simply, if the playground is circular, if student starts from here, this is 1 complete round, 2 complete round, 3 complete round, 4 complete round, 5 complete round, it means this is the perimeter of the figure, and 15 rounds here they have taken. So 15 into the perimeter. It's solved by this process. Question number 12. Let breadth is B. Suppose that if breadth is 5 centimeter, so length will be 5 2 are 10, just double from the breadth. So we consider breadth is B, length is 2B. Perimeter is given already 60 centimeter. This is shape is rectangular. Again same to same. So perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter is given 60. Place 60 in place of perimeter, equal to 2 into length. Length is we consider 2B and breadth is B. This will be 3B. 2 will be the division of 60. So this is 30 equal to 3B. 3 will be cancelled there. This is 10 centimeter. The length is 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter. This is the breadth, but length is just double of breadth. Double means multiply by 2. So 20 centimeter is the length of this question. Question number 15. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 9.8 centimeter, isosceles triangle with the side each equal side 13 centimeter and third one is 10 centimeter. Regular pentagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Pentagon means 5-sided plain closed figure. All the sides will be regular. Regular means equal. Of 8.2 centimeter. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means a plain closed figure enclosed by 6 line segments. Regular means equal. Of side 6.5 centimeter. So this 15th question. Side is 9.8. First of all, this is equilateral. Equilateral means the triangle whose all 3 sides are equal. This all 3 sides are equal. So its perimeter will be 3 into side, because all sides are equal. Side is given 9.8 centimeter. Simply multiply by 3. 3 into side means 3 into 9.8. 29.4 will be the answer of this part. Part 2, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means a triangle in which 2 sides are equal. Isosceles. And third one is not equal. So these 2 equal sides are given 13 centimeter. In this one, another side is given 10 centimeter. So we take this A, this B and this C. A is 13 centimeter, B is 13 centimeter and C is 10 centimeter. And you already know perimeter means sum of all the sides. So simply perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. 13 plus 13 plus 10, 36 centimeter. Now part third, side is given 8.2 centimeter, but this is pentagon. This is the pentagon. 5-sided plain closed figure. This is pentagon, but in this pentagon, this is regular. Regular means all sides are equal, 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 equal. So one side is given 8.2 centimeter. And perimeter will be there, this plus this plus this plus this plus this means 8.2 will be added 5 times. So in place of addition 5 times 8.2, simply multiply 8.2 by 5. So this will be the formula of perimeter, that 5 into side, because this is regular. Perimeter 5 into side, then 5 into 8.2, this will be 41.0 means 41 centimeter. Part 6, side is 6.5 centimeter. This is hexagon. Hexa means 6-sided. And this is regular. All sides are equal. All these 6 sides are equal of this figure. This is hexagon. One side is 6.5 centimeter and perimeter will be this plus this plus this, and all these sides are equal. So 6.5 will be added 6 times. In place of addition 6 times, simply multiply 6. So this will be 6 into side, then perimeter will be 6 into 6.5. This will be 39.0, means 39 centimeter. This is the question number 15. Now question number 17. A rectangle with length 18 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. Rectangle length is 18 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Has same perimeter as that of a regular pentagon. Means whatever the perimeter of this rectangle, that is equal to the perimeter of regular pentagon. Find the side of the pentagon. Pentagon is regular. Regular means all sides are equal of the pentagon. So simply we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. This perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of this pentagon, means 5 into side of the pentagon, because this is a regular pentagon and regular means all sides are equal. So it's all 5 sides are equal. Question number 20. A wire is bent in the form of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle with all sides are equal. Of each side 20 and each side is 20. So its a perimeter will be 20 plus 20 plus 20, or 3 into side means 60 centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the form of square, find out the side of the square. Means 60 centimeter is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Perimeter means length of the wire. Let's discuss. Now question number 17. Length of the rectangle 18 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle 12 centimeter. So whatever the perimeter of the rectangle, that is the perimeter of pentagon. First of all, we will find out the perimeter, means P1 we consider. We can directly solve. So P1 equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 18 plus 12 means 32 ya 60. This is the perimeter of rectangle, but this perimeter is equal to the perimeter of regular pentagon. Means P2 is 5 into side, and P2 we have found it out already, that is 60 centimeter into equal to 5 into side, then side will be 60 upon 12. 5 will be changed to side. This will be in the division, then side equal to 12 5 the 60, 12 centimeter. This is very simple question. Simply first of all find out the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle will be the perimeter of pentagon, 5 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of pentagon. Question number 20. Side of the equilateral triangle is given 20. So simply perimeter 3 into side, because equilateral triangle means the triangle with all 3 sides are equal. This is the equilateral triangle. So 3 into side means 3 into 20 will be 60 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a square is 60. Whatever the perimeter of this equilateral triangle, that is the perimeter of the square. So square is 4 into side. All sides are equal. In the equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal, so 3 into side. In a square, all 4 sides are equal, so 4 into side. Then 60 equal to 4 into side. 4 will be in the division, then side equal to 15 centimeter. This is the answer of question number 20. Remaining question of this exercise you will solve by yourself. If you have any type of doubt in the question, write me on the WhatsApp group. Your doubt will be cleared soon. Thank you students. Complete the work today.